Before purchasing the best Garmin charger cable, you should consider 3 key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Compatibility. 2. Durability and build quality. 3. Charging speed and data transfer. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best Garmin charger cable to help you understand everything you need to know in a simple and clear way, making it easier for you to make the right choice. If you want to know the latest prices and more details about the products mentioned in this video, check the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. Starting with our first product, Swaggered Garmin Watch Charger Cable. The Swaggered Garmin charging cable offers safe and original high-speed charging, fully powering your device in just 2.5 hours at 1A. Its wide compatibility supports numerous Garmin models, including Fenix 8 series, Forerunner 45, Vivoactive 5, Venu Square, Instinct Tactical, and many more, making it a versatile choice for Garmin users. Crafted with triple braided nylon fiber, this cable is highly durable, resistant to twisting and abrasion, and can endure over 10,000 bends, perfect for heavy daily use. With its generous length, you can comfortably use your device while charging. The plug-and-play design requires no additional adapters and allows simultaneous syncing and charging via PC, wall charger, or car USB port. Lightweight and compact, it's travel-friendly and ideal for business users on the go. Overall, the Swaggered Garmin charging cable is a reliable, high-quality accessory that keeps your Garmin devices charged efficiently and safely wherever you are. Just remember to charge before your watch battery fully drains. Now, our second product is Alltech Charger Cable for Garmin Watch. This Garmin replacement charging cable is a highly practical and durable accessory for a wide range of Garmin watches. Featuring a 4-pin oval connector, it supports many popular models including Fenix 5 through 8 series, Forerunner 45 to 965, Venu, Vivoactive, Instinct, and more. Unlike traditional chargers that require a tilt neck position, this cable allows your watch to lay flat on any surface while charging, enhancing convenience. Crafted with an aluminum alloy shell using micro-arc oxidation, the cable's casing is both stylish and highly resistant to wear. The nylon braided cable is tough, pet-resistant, and has been tested over 15,000 bends without damage. Made from premium TPE, it withstands extreme temperatures from -50 degrees Celsius without cracking, making it ideal for rigorous daily use. Safety is paramount with built-in intelligent protection modules, double-sided plugs, and EMI shielding, ensuring stable data sync and secure charging. If your watch's charging port matches the cable's shape, this is a reliable and smart charging solution. Moving on to the third product, a oral charging power cord for Garmin Watch. This 2-in-1 Garmin charger is a practical and reliable solution for charging and data syncing across a wide range of Garmin devices. Equipped with both USB-C and USB-A connectors, secured together by a TPE strap, it's ideal for use in various settings, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Its universal compatibility covers models like the Fenix 5 to 8 series, Forerunner, Instinct, Venu, Quadix, and more. Crafted with a durable nylon braided cable and a sleek aluminum alloy shell, it resists tangling and withstands over 20,000 bends, making it perfect for demanding everyday use. Built-in intelligent protection modules ensure safe charging and stable data transfers. Simply match the charging plug to your watch's port for guaranteed compatibility. The premium TPE material also withstands extreme temperatures without cracking. With its sturdy build, sleek design, and included 1-year warranty with responsive customer service, this Garmin charger is a dependable accessory for any Garmin user. At number 4, IIABC Charger Cable. This IIABC Garmin charging cable is a reliable and durable solution for powering a wide range of Garmin devices. Compatible with popular models like Fenix 5 to 7X series, Epix Gen 2, Forerunner 45 to 955, Venu series, Vivoactive, Vivomove, Instinct Tactical, and many more, it offers exceptional versatility. Constructed from high-quality copper wire and wrapped in a durable nylon braided exterior, this cable ensures stable current transmission and long-lasting performance. It supports fast and efficient charging via multiple power sources, including wall adapters, power banks, car chargers, and laptops. Safety is a top priority, with built-in voltage regulation and PTC protection to prevent overcurrent and voltage spikes, protecting your device while charging. With excellent build quality, stable performance, and a strong safety design, it's a dependable addition to your Garmin accessories. Plus, it comes backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee for replacement or refund, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. And finally, our last pick is Tebby Garmin Watch Charger. This USB-C Garmin Charger Cable is a reliable and high-quality accessory compatible with a wide range of Garmin devices, including Fenix 5 to 7X series, Forerunner models, Vivoactive, Vivomove, Venu, Instinct editions, and more. Whether you're charging your smartwatch at home, in the office, or on the go, this cable ensures efficient and safe charging across multiple Garmin models. Crafted from premium TPE material and durable copper wire, it offers excellent heat resistance, elasticity, and durability. The cable is built with multiple safety features, including protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and overheating, ensuring your device is charged securely and without damage. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for travel or daily use. The USB-C interface provides fast and stable power delivery, and the build quality guarantees a pleasant, tangle-free charging experience. Overall, this Garmin USB-C charger cable is a dependable, travel-friendly, and safe charging solution backed by responsive customer support if any issues arise. So, what do you think about this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.